Okay, students, this is the last type number 3, and I hope you can learn. This one is more complex compared to the first and the second one. So as you can see over here, we have two fractions, again same thing, and then we have as you can see, this one you have the same denominator, and then this is the bigger denominator, right? So before we can do any addition or subtraction, we need to make sure that they have the same denominator. But if you just times it to get 12 times with 15, it will take time, right? So to do the calculation. So what we need to do, I think we just need to try to make it simple, rather than have the 12 times with 15. But it's up to you, right? You can do it that way also, but let's just do it a different way. So what we need to do here is, as you can see, 12 cannot jump to 15, right? Because 15 is not the multiples of, it's not a multiple of 12. So what we need to do here, let's just try to find the common factors between two of the number. Okay, so we list down 12 and 15 over here. So we have 12 and 15. You see, right, the denominators over here, right? We just copy the denominators over here, and then we need to find the greatest common factor between 12 and 15. I believe which is 3 is the greatest common factor. So after that, what we need to do, we need to fill in the blank over here. Yeah, so we need to fill in the blank over here, and then as we can see over here, 12 divided by 3, the result is 4. And then 15 divided by 3, the result is 5. And then as you can see over here, there's there are two arrows over here. So I see a cross over here now, and then it looks like a multiplication sign, right? Which is times sign. So later the 12 over here, the denominator 12 will multiply with 5, and then the 15 will multiply with 4. So let me just show you again. So let me just do it over here. So first fraction, and then second fraction. Okay, now after that, as you can see over here, 12 multiply with 5, right? So we need to multiply this side with 5. The denominator multiplies with 5, numerator also must be multiplied with 5. 15, as you can see over here, you see the arrowhead over here comes to 4. Now, so we have multiply with 4, numerator also must be have the same number. So after that, we just multiply the number. 6 times 5 is 30, 12 times 5 is 60, and then 15 times 4 is also 60, and then 4 times 4 is 16. Now after that, we have the same denominator. Okay, yeah, so this one is 60, and then this one 30 plus 16. 30 plus 16 is 46. Now, and then I believe this one we just need to, since this one is not improper fraction, so we do not need to convert to mixed number, but we need to make sure that we have the simplest form. So I think we just need to divide each of the the numerator and denominator by 2, and then we will have the simplest form. So divide by 2, you will have 23. 60 divided by 2, you have 30, and then this is the simplest form. Okay, yeah, so this is how we do it. Now I will show you the subtraction. Okay, now let me just show you the subtraction over here. You try it on your own. Pause the video and try it on your own, and then when you are ready, play the video again, and then I will show you the answer. Okay, you can pause your video now. Okay, let me just show you again, same thing over here. Yeah, so 12, you have the small denominator, cannot jump to the big one because 16 over here is not the multiples of 12. But you can see over here, they have common factors. Yeah, so they have common factors. So what we need to do is we need to list down all the denominator over here, 12 and 16. And then we need to find the common factors between 12 and 16. I believe it's 4. Just fill in the 4 here now. So after that, 12 divided by 4, the result is 3. 16 divided by 4, the result is 4. And then as you can see, we have cross over here. You can see the arrowhead over here. Now what we need to do is first fraction, second fraction, second fractions. Okay, so let's just copy the fractions. First fraction, second fraction, second fraction. Okay, now 12 over here, you see the denominator 12 over here. Now you need to multiply with 4. Yeah, multiply with 4, the denominator also the same, multiply with 4. 16 needs to be multiplied with 3, and then the numerator must be the same also. So what we have here, we just do the calculation. 10 times 4 is 40, 12 times 4 is 48, and then 16 times 3 is also 48. Now 4 times 3 is 12. Now after that we have the same denominator for the fraction, so we can do the subtraction now. 40 minus 12 is 28. Now so this is the result, and then we need to have the result in the simplest form, and then I believe we can divide this the numerator and denominator by 12. Let's just try with 4. Okay, with 4, and then you will have 28 divided by 4 is 7, 48 divided by 4 is 12. So this is the simplest form of the fractions we have, the fractions that we have here. So I have shown you type 1, type 2, type 3. I hope you can do it on your own. If you keep practicing, you can do things better and better, and then faster also. So that's all about addition and subtraction of fractions. I hope you can do it on your own. I see you again in the next video. Okay, thank you.